Hi guys, Rick Damuth here at Cowtown, USA in Cuba, Missouri. Here with a new Merhow stock combo, 14-foot back end, 11-foot living quarters, dual hydraulic jacks, lockable aluminum battery box, dual propane, spare tire and wheel, a power awning with your extra LED light strip down the side. Look how big the hand grips are on this. You can get a big old gloved hand, it'll fit in there in the cold weather. Merhow did the interior, so you're not charged twice on the trailer. One to build it and one to put the interior in, all one charge. Swing up step, fresh water connection, plug in electric fryer out here, or a fan, low point to drain your, makes it easy to winterize, back side of your hot water heater. Now we've got a step here, it walks into the mid-tack, and a ramp on the far side. There's your pass-through door in the living quarters, your pass-through back into the livestock area, or your haul ATV or UTV. Fully insulated, fully lined, your mold-resistant interior linings, but also air conditioning. So if a guy wanted to throw in some sleeping bags or build him a cot back here, you can sure enough do that. Fully armor plated. Dexter axles, Torflex on top of that. All it means is when it comes time to get parts, you can get parts. 375 distributors, not talk about dealers, but distributors for Dexter axle nationwide. Okay, you have the nitrous filled tires, aluminum wheels. I mean, this dude's ready to go. 14 ply radial tires, so everything that you're going to want is there. Your horse tires down the side, load light on this side. One key locks the trailer up. Rubber bumper, slam latch gate, complete rubber lined fenders. Okay, bring it around this side of it. Alright, I'm going to mention now this is your release for the gate, so you can release it from the outside. Easy lube axle, so you don't necessarily have to take the trailer apart to pack the bearings, and never adjust. So used to, when selling these trailers, you had to adjust the brakes, kind of like cars years ago had to adjust the drum brakes. Now, never adjust them again. Okay, you got your pass-through door. Let me get you the weight off this trailer. 10,720 pounds is what they're saying. 10,720. Now I'm going to take you down underneath the trailer because I want you to see the construction of how this dude's made. I want you to look at that. Most of those guys have a 4-inch beam only. Well, we have 4-inch beam, and then about every inch and a half apart, 1-inch beam on top of this. So, I mean, it's just quality. 64 years of experience says this is what it ought to be built right. Okay, you saw the escape door there. We were there. And then the up ramp here. Now I'll take you. Now I think I'll take you around the front again. Okay, place here for your cable television, your landline, and if you want to haul your water, or this is city water, you hook up with your water hose right here. Wastewater for your holding tank, that's your release. Your connections there. Okay, sliding window at the end of your slide out. Same way here. A lot of them don't have this for your cross ventilation. Okay, I mentioned dual jacks. I'm going to talk about the neck while I'm up here too. I mean, this is steel. Steel comes all the way around here. You can actually see it better on the other side. Where it's black, it's steel. And that runs all the way to the back end here. So the neck of this trailer is completely steel. Now you might say, well, is this an all aluminum trailer? Yes, it's classed all aluminum. But they put more steel in the neck because 64 years of building these trailers has taught them a few things. And you know, you build this many trailers, some of them get hit. And if you're hit in the back end, the neck support, the steel in these trailers is a lifeline. You don't want that neck folding up and then driving this trailer in on top of your truck. So the more steel you have in that neck, you can see there. Let me just zoom right up on that. Here's another neat feature I need to talk to you about while we're here too. Okay, you have dual controls on your jacks. Not just one switch controls both legs, but you can adjust the legs. Okay, you got a battery box here that you can lock your batteries up, which is always a good thing, and a place to haul your sewer hose as well. So that steel neck, the frame that showed you underneath the trailer, that all aluminum frame, all the construction. I mean, just ask your competition what the structure is on the floor that runs lengthways. Most of them are going to have a 4-inch beam running crossways, but you ask some of the big names out there how much structure they got running lengthways, and you'll find out they're going to tell you 0. All right, now I'm going to take you inside. First thing, show you the floor. Closet right here at the entranceway. A hanging closet on top of that. All your controls here for your interior, exterior lighting, your power slide out, which is over here, and your power awning. It's just all push of a button. So you don't have to worry about leaving. Well, I'm just going to go on 10 minutes, and don't take the time to roll the awning up. You can roll it up in a heartbeat. You have bars here to the left, and a transport here to haul your bar stools in. Really nice countertop. Going to give you the look of that. And I'm looking through the lens. It's not really doing it justice. Let's see here. Take you right here. It's all solid wood. With Merhow, they do not do press board. They do no vinyl wrapping. I mean, if you want it hickory, it's hickory. If you want it maple, it's maple. No stickers. You can tell that by looking on this. There's no vinyl stripping to cover the vinyl on the side. All solid wood. Really nice. Bronze door pulls. Soft shading. Dual stainless steel sinks. Recessed cooktop. Here's another neat thing, guys. It's not real obvious, but your convection microwave. I mean, this will bake, this will do whatever. And when we order the convection microwave, they'll actually lower it so shorter people can have some type of help getting in these, to use these. So that's a big deal, and we do that. That's an upgrade. We've also upgraded to the soft touch walls. And all that is when grease or stuff splatters, you can wipe it off with a sponge. You're baking or spinning and you're throwing stuff or ketchup on the walls, you wipe it off. Okay, now I'm going to give you a visual here, and then I'll kind of go back and walk through slow. Big fridge on your left. Slide out. Couch makes into a bed with storage underneath there. Not a water tank, but storage. Storage above your slide out. Storage at the foot of your bed. Another closet at the foot of your bed. Storage above your bed. Another closet to your right. Okay, now I'm going to step up here and I'm going to turn around and give you a visual from this side. Can I show you what it looks like here from the edge of the bed? Okay, a lot of room. The length of this trailer, it does have a lot of room in it. It's all a tweed ceiling, and it's all ducted AC and ducted heat. In fact, ducted back into the mid-tack. So if you want to put a cot back there, you could actually do that, or use it as a kennel, however you'd want to use it. Okay, now I'll show you. Voila. That's a pretty famous name for, now you see it, now you don't. Makes into a bed instantly. Voila, again. That makes back into a bench. Okay, now I'm going to show you the slot underneath, and here you got lots of storage. And look at this dude. Normally that's what to put the water tank, so you lose all the storage. Here's something else I want to show you too. And this is just a mark of better furniture. All your cabinets are dovetailed together. Most time they just put a little tack in, it holds together. Well, not with Merhow. This interior is built in-house. thing I like about it, the guy that's run the place is a cabinet maker. So it's all finished, even the aluminum, under his guidance. So I mean, it's everything about it, guys, is absolutely first class. Then we got a new guy in there helping us. When I say new guy, he's new with us, but he's about 30 years experience in the interior of the trailers. Okay, now notice you see no door because it's a pocket door. You don't have to step back any direction, and so somebody could get through. Nice frosted radius shower, nice size radius shower. Still have a vanity, still got a nice mirror. And you come over here, and here you are, another big closet. And there's the stool. Okay, now you got a power vent up here. Now, so what the deal so special about a power vent? Well, nothing except this one. You can set it like a temperature. It'll open up, and at nighttime when you got your windows open and it's pulling air through there, you drop it down to 68 degrees. When it gets to that temperature, it'll close it and shut itself off. During the night, if it warms up, it'll actually open itself back up and start pulling the air and flow through again. Kind of like an attic fan in your house. Pretty neat feature, guys. Pretty neat feature. Okay, I'm just going to walk off into the mid-tack here with you. Going to show you around, give you a look-see. Again, we talked about the AC being ducted in here. You can sure enough sleep back here. Your saddle racks can be moved out. Get where you're going. Move them out. Then you got your pass-through door back into the livestock. Come back into here. And again, I told you it weighed 10,720 pounds, and that's what it do. Another big escape door here. All ATVs, UTVs, mares and babies, loads of hay, furniture, cargo, whatever you'd want to do, you can do it. Anyway, I showed you the floor, I showed you the neck, I showed you quality from front to back. I've showed you a trailer that's been manufactured for 64 years. Do they know what they're doing? I would think they'd have a pretty good idea to build one. Anyway, give us a call at this place, Cowtown, USA, Cuba, Missouri. Cowtown, USA, 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Go on CowtownUSAINC.com. Look at our inventory. CowtownUSAINC.com. Watch our television show Tuesday nights, 8:30 Central Time. Women's Pro Rodeo Today. We're a sponsor with them guys for you, promoting your sport. We'd sure appreciate you supporting us, letting us be a part. We thank you for letting us be a part. You can talk to Stevie Hillman. She's our newest member pulling one of these. Give us a call, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300. Ask for Sean, Jack, or Rick. Thank you.